Thank you for purchasing your feather flag from Flags Galore. Before you get started with assembly, make sure you have the ground spike, flag, 3 pole segments, and a hammer or rubber mallet. Now you're ready for assembly. Start with pole B, the largest pole, as the base and connect it to pole C. You should hear a click. Next, insert pole D into pole C. Remove the flag from the package and starting at the top of the pole, slide the flag sleeve down to the base of the pole. Tie the 2 flag strings into a knot and loop the hooks around the pole base. Push the ground spike into the ground and use your hammer or mallet to secure it if needed. Next, slide the flagpole into the ground spike, adjust as necessary, and enjoy your eye-catching new feather flag. If you don't have grass available, try one of our other base options. Our feather flags come in many designs to fit your business needs. Visit us today at www.flagsgalore.com.